Hello there. In this video we're going to look at a plugin that I found in Figma called RTL Layout. So let's go. Okay, so I've gone up to the plugins panel, I've searched for RTL Layout and that's the name of the plugin. And just reading a little bit about it here, this helps to transform your designs from left to right to left. So languages like Arabic or Farsi have never been easier. Introducing RTL Layout, the Figma plugin that takes the hassle out of the conversion process. So as you can see, it's marked here as currently in beta and they've got a list of features here. But let's just dive in and see what it can do. I think the first 50 tries of the plugin are free, and after that you would pay $18 and that just gives you unlimited usage of the plugin. So let's have a look. So I've copied and pasted a mobile design, I've duplicated it here. If I click on the frame and I go back to my plugins, I click on the plugin RTL Layout and it brings up this panel here. So you can convert a frame here and it gives you some different options. So as it says, mirror a frame, select a single frame that you wish to mirror its layout. Optionally, you can translate the text as well. So I'm going to click on translate the text and you can translate it. So I'm currently in English, but you might want to translate it into, there's a number of languages in here, but let's say we're going to go to Arabic. So we're going from a language English, which is written left to right, and we're going to a language that is right to left. So we've got the frame selected. I'm going to click on mirror and translate the frame. So as we click that, as you can see, it's translated all the areas into Arabic and it's also adjusted them from the left to right to left. So if you can imagine you had a client that has got a massive app and then they ask for it to be designed and translated into, say, Arabic, you can do this by just kind of going through this process, selecting the frames and then clicking mirror and translate, and it will make your life a lot easier instead of having to go into the frame, click here, adjust the text manually from left to right to left. So this plugin takes the headache out of that, which is really, really good. So I would check some of the documentation on what it can and can't do. I imagine with things like icons, changing them right to left, if it's an arrow, or see some of these things that I've got drawn in here, these won't adjust because they're not text. So maybe you'll have to change some things manually. And as you can see from these screens, it's made the change really quickly. And I guess if you want to get it double checked, you can always get the Arabic double checked by a translator. Great, okay, so let's move on to the next feature. I have a set of buttons down here. Let's just move this over a little bit. So I'm going to click on the component and I'm going to go up here in RTL Layout and click on component. And now I want to do the same thing. So it says select a single component or a component set that you wish to mirror its layout. Optionally, you can translate the text as well or create an RTL variant. So that's really good. I want to translate all the text layers. I'm going to do English to Arabic again. And I also want to create RTL variants in the component set. So now when I click on create, now I've got my Arabic conversions of the button as well, and I've got, if I just close this down, and I've added to my component set. So when I drag out, say, this button here, and if I go into my component set options here, I've got my size, I've got my type, and then I've got RTL. So it's added an option here. And when you toggle that on and off, you go between English and Arabic, or whatever language you decide to translate into. So yeah, really, really easy, really, really powerful. So I imagine if some of you are working with clients that are around the world, say they're Arabic clients, and they want a design that is maybe both in English and in Arabic, this is the type of plugin that would really help speed up your process and save you a lot of time, so you don't have to go in manually and make these changes. You can run a plugin and it will probably do 99% of the work for you. So I'd encourage you to check it out. RTL Layout's the name of the plugin. Like it says here, you can enjoy 50 free uses per file and then you can upgrade after that. Okay, that's it for this video, and that's it for the videos in 2023. We are done. I hope you've had a great year and I will see you in 2024. Like and subscribe, add some comments, and I will see you in the next video.
With me.